Every morning brings another road, another place I need to go. People are counting on me today, and I need my car to lead the way. Work will not wait and life keeps moving. There are things that I have to do. No delays and no excuses. I need my car to get me through. It takes me to work in the morning. It brings me safely home at night. It carries the people I care about and helps me keep my future in sight. I need my car. It takes me where I need to go. No excuses. I need my car, so I take care of it on every road. I keep it serviced, I keep it running smoothly with Super Service Auto and Fleet Repair Shops, taking care of the vehicle that moves me. City to city, county to county, from Orange County to Riverside County to Los Angeles County. Wherever the highway leads, wherever I need to be, I ride with confidence, I ride with peace of mind. My vehicle is more than transportation, it is freedom I depend upon. It keeps my plans and life in motion, from early morning until the day is gone. There are meetings and appointments, there are errands I cannot delay. There's family waiting for me and responsibilities every day. That is why I plan ahead. That is why I do my part. Regular service keeps me moving and gives every journey a better start. I do not wait for a breakdown to leave me standing on the side. I choose professional vehicle care so I can travel with confidence and pride. I need my car. It takes me where I need to go. No excuses. I need my car, so I take care of it on every road. I keep it serviced, I keep it running smoothly with Super Service Auto and Fleet Repair Shops, taking care of the vehicle that moves me. City to city, county to county, from Orange County to Riverside County to Los Angeles County. Every mile can tell a story, every sound can be a sign. A small concern may need attention before it grows larger over time. Brakes and tires, belts and fluids, battery cooling, heat and air. Regular inspections help me understand the condition of the vehicle in my care. Summer heat can test the battery, long commutes can wear down tires. Cooling systems work even harder when Southern California temperatures rise. I would rather know what is happening before a problem changes all my plans. I want trained automotive professionals who inspect, explain and understand. Super Service Auto and Fleet Repair Shops helps me prepare for the road ahead with professional vehicle inspections and clear information I can understand. I need my car. It takes me where I need to go. No excuses. I need my car, so I take care of it on every road. I keep it serviced, I keep it running smoothly with Super Service Auto and Fleet Repair Shops, taking care of the vehicle that moves me. sunlight shining through. Some days Riverside County is calling, with another important job to do. Then the road into Los Angeles County can become a long and busy ride. But when my vehicle is maintained, I can focus on the journey with confidence inside. Peace of mind comes from preparation and taking care of what carries me. Keeping up with vehicle maintenance helps protect my mobility. Life does not stop moving, the road does not wait for me. So I choose regular service to keep my vehicle running dependably. It carries my family, it carries my dreams, it carries the tools that help me build everything. It takes me to work, it brings me back home, it gives me the freedom to travel every road. Through sunshine and traffic, through wind and rain, I depend on my vehicle again and again. So I give it professional care, because every mile matters to me. Super service auto and fleet repair shops helps keep me moving comfortably. I need my car in the morning, I need my car late at night, I need my car for every journey, so I work to keep it running right. No excuses, I have places to be, I need dependable transportation for the people depending on me. City to city, county to county, every destination, every responsibility. From Orange County to Riverside County,